Welcome back. So the deal's starting tomorrow at Harbor Freight. It's in February 28th through March 2nd. So we have 10% off any single item. Now, I know that's tough. They've given 15% off single items. They've given, I think, 20% off within the last couple of months off of any single item. So this is limiting, but it's a new year. There's new tariffs. I don't know what, but 10% off isn't that bad because it's still any single item. But let's go ahead and read the fine print. So limit 1 coupon per customer per day. Valid in-store, online, and on in-stock items. Only coupon must be presented at time of sale. Save 10% on any single item purchased. Coupon cannot be used with any of the following: Inside Track Club memberships, extended service plans, or gift cards. Coupon cannot be combined or stacked with other discounts, promotions, or prior purchases, including ITC member prices. No cash or credit back. Other restrictions may apply while supplies last. Valid 2/28 through 3/2/2025. So again, these are best used on one if you're already going to make a purchase. You were going your way into Harbor Freight, but if you're following this channel, most likely you're already hunting deals, so this probably seems a little bit but this would be combined best with items that don't go on sale, so research needs to be done. But let's keep going into the second round over here. Free gift, no purchase required. In-store only during the same weekend, February 28th to March 2nd. In-store only. Choose from the 4-in-1 screwdriver, 2-inch short angle paintbrush, which is interesting. 100 pack of the cable ties. Gotta love those. I love when they give those out for free. I mean, it's kind of convenient having them for free. So a decent choice of 3 free gifts. Let's just read the fine print. Limit 1 coupon per customer per day. Valid in store and on in-stock items only. Coupon must be presented at the time of sale. Receive 1 free gift from the following items. And here are the items. They list a lot more. No purchase required. Void if copy, purchase, transferred, or prohibited. Other restrictions may apply. So here are the items, pretty low in price, $2.50, the Pittsburgh 4-in-1 screwdriver with 2 bonus nut drivers. We have the Storehouse 8-inch UV resistance black cable ties, 100 pack, $2.30. They offer the same in white at $2.30. And then this one, although it wouldn't seem like it, is the steal of a deal at $4.99, the Avanti 2-inch short angle paintbrush. It is Avanti. Avanti is very nice. Best quality. Probably very specific if you need it, but doesn't sound too bad. Superior polyester blend bristles for smoothest possible finish. A $4.99 value. So those are your options. You get them for free. Zip ties are probably pretty convenient. A paintbrush, maybe you need one, or a screwdriver bit set if you need something in your car. You need somewhere that you can have it handy, upstairs or downstairs, or in the garage or in the kitchen, something to put away in a cluttered drawer that you know will be nearby. And then for the 10% off, not the greatest things, but here's some good options to have if you're trying to get something with that 10% that you know isn't going to go on sale anytime soon. One could be the Hallmaster 2,000 pound capacity, 5 foot by 10 foot. They're Harbor Freight's new trailer at $9.99. You'd get $100 off for 10% off. So that's not too bad. You could do one of the new Predator power stations, and this is a new one. They did have the smaller one. This is the slightly bigger one at $949.99. I think these are pricey in general, but you know that it's unlikely that these will have a discount anytime soon outside of these single item percentages off. So at least in this scenario, you get 10% off, $950. So you're saving almost $100. So you get this for $850, which makes it a little bit easier of a pill to swallow. Don't even look for these Icon Technician sets. They're never available. Online exclusive, currently unavailable, of course. Or you could look at some of the Bauer stationary wood cutting bandsaw, $499. If you save 10%, you're getting about $50 off, so you're getting it for $450. So there's definitely some items you can get and use the 10% discount off on any single item, especially things that don't go on sale, and especially a lot of the new items. But I'll leave it at that. What are you going to try to use your 10% off any single item you have all weekend? Get your free gifts when you go get your 10% off. Or maybe it doesn't have to be anything big. Maybe it can be the mini Icon ratchet. Maybe it could be one of the gold ratchets. Maybe it could be one of the floor jacks that you want to get right now and not wait until the future when it goes on sale. Let me know what you're going to get. Happy shopping, happy Harbor Freighting. And as soon as I find some more deals, I'll send them your way.